We'll first quickly run through the policy framework, though it's all dealt by the earlier speakers and you are aware of it. But the purpose of getting into these things is Enforcement Directorate will be searching all these sources when the investigation process is going on. So whenever we are trying to conduct a transaction, we should not limit ourselves only to a particular provision that is there in FDI policy, and without looking at the other sources what are available, we may be subjected to contravention by Enforcement Directorate. I'll give one small example. A resident foreign currency account can be opened by a returning non-resident, and whatever are his incomes or wealth generated outside India can be kept in that resident foreign currency account is one concept, a facility given to non-resident Indian returning back to India. But if you look at the present FEMA guidelines and the relevant notification related to that, the background of that will not be visible there. So for everything, we have to go to the source document. The source document for that is somewhere around 1997 or 98 under FERA. That was the first time government and RBI have come out with that RFC account details. Why I'm telling that is, in that RFC account details, they have said a person who is a non-resident who has stayed outside India for 1 full year as a non-resident under the regulations of FERA at that time is only permitted to open an RFC account in India.
Achromic Point.